Hi, Tony here. With just one session left this week, US equity markets are on track to finish the week near the flat line after clawing back their early losses. Now, the big turnaround came after President Trump announced he had cancelled planned strikes on Iran, again, yes, and suggested a peace deal in the Middle East could be signed as early as this weekend. Closer to home, the ASX 200 is up around 2%, trading near 8,800, and it's on track for its best performance since early April. Softer domestic data has prompted several economists to call an end to the RBA's tightening cycle, and that dovish shift in rates has been a strong tailwind for the interest rate sensitive sectors of the ASX 200. We're seeing consumer discretionary up about 8.3% for the week, consumer staples up around 7.7%, and the real estate sector is currently up almost 5% for the week, with the only real laggard being the tech sector, which has dropped about 4.2%, and it's given back half of last week's gains. Looking ahead, next week is a central bank extravaganza, with the Bank of Japan, Bank of England, FOMC, and the RBA all meeting, while we'll also be keeping a close eye out on the latest headlines from the Middle East. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates next week.